अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है बिजनेस स्टडीज़ से हमने लिया है 12th क्लास के लिए, तो दैट इज़ लीडरशिप। तो लीडरशिप पे हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे और क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ ए गुड लीडर, और यानी कि एक अच्छे लीडर की क्या क्या खूबियाँ हैं। तो पहले हम कॉन्सेप्ट पे जाएंगे लीडरशिप के। Leadership is another important element of directing. It plays a very important role in the success of an organization. Leadership can be defined as a process of influencing the behavior of the people to voluntarily act for attainment of organizational objectives. It is concerned with maintaining personal relations with followers and motivate them to contribute for achieving goals of the organization. तो अलग अलग जो स्कॉलर्स हैं उन्होंने अलग अलग डेफिनेशंस दी हैं लीडरशिप की। लीडरशिप इज़ बोथ ए प्रोसेस एंड प्रॉपर्टी। द प्रोसेस ऑफ लीडरशिप is the use of non-coercive influence to direct and coordinate the activities of the members of an organization, of an organized group towards the accomplishment of group objectives. As a property, leadership is the set of qualities or characteristics attributed to those who are perceived to successfully employ such influence. गे एंड स्ट्रेक ने ये डेफिनेशन दी है। दूसरी जो डेफिनेशन है जो हमारे वाइट बोर्ड पे है, लीडरशिप इज़ द एक्टिविटी ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसिंग पीपल टू स्ट्राइव विलिंगली फॉर ग्रुप ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। ये जो लीडरशिप है ये वो एक्टिविटी है जो इन्फ्लुएंस करती है लोगों को कि वो खुद ब खुद ग्रुप्स के जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं विलिंगली उनके लिए मेहनत करें, कोशिश करें, उनको हासिल करने के लिए एफर्ट्स करें। ये जॉर्ज टेरी ने दी है ये डेफिनेशन। जो तीसरी डेफिनेशन है दैट इज़ हार्लॉर्ड कोंट्स एंड हीन्स वी रिच ने दी है। लीडरशिप इज द आर्ट ऑफ और प्रोसेस ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसिंग पीपल सो दैट दे विल स्ट्राइव विलिंगली एंड enthusiastically towards the achievement of group goals. और एक डेफिनेशन है जो ग्लूक ने दी है। लीडरशिप इज ए सेट ऑफ इंटरपर्सनल behaviors designed to influence employees to cooperate in the achievement of objectives. तो हम फीचर्स पे जाएंगे। फीचर्स ऑफ लीडरशिप। लीडरशिप इज ए प्रोसेस ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसिंग पीपल। It aims at bringing changes in behavior of people. It is a never-ending or a continuous process. Leadership is practiced to achieve organizational goals. It explains the relations between leaders and followers. तो आगे हम चलेंगे इम्पोर्टेंस की तरफ। Leadership is an important factor in the success of an organization. A leader not only provides information about organizational goals, but also pools the required resources, guides, and motivates his followers for achieving the organizational goals. Influences the behavior of people. यानी कि ये जो लीडर होता है वो अपने फॉलोअर्स के यानी कि बिहेवियर को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है। लीडरशिप इन्वॉल्व्स इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द बिहेवियर ऑफ द पीपल and making them contribute their full efforts for the good of an organization. handles conflicts. A good leader helps us in solving the conflicts among his followers and also remove their negative feelings. Maintains coordination, यानी कि यही लीडर है जो कोऑर्डिनेशन को मेंटेन रखने वाला होता है. A leader always maintains personal relations with his followers and provide them the required confidence, support and encouragement. This helps in creating healthy working environment. Introduces changes. यही लीडर होता है जो एक बिजनेस में चेंजेस को इंट्रोड्यूस करता है. A good leader helps in solving the problems of resistance to changes by inspiring also and persuading them to accept the changes without any discontent. यानी कि किसी हिचकिचाहट के बगैर वो चेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं. Provides training. A leader also makes arrangement for the training of his subordinates. यानी कि एक लीडर जो होता है अपने सबॉर्डिनेट्स के लिए वो ट्रेनिंग अरेंज करता है. तो एक अच्छे लीडर की क्या क्वालिटीज़ हैं उन पे हम जाएंगे, उनको हम डिस्कस करेंगे. फिजिकल फीचर्स. पहली इसकी क्वालिटी जो है इसका जो फिज़ीक होना चाहिए वो सही मॉडरेट होना चाहिए. इसकी हालत जो है वो ठीक होनी चाहिए. इसकी हाइट जो है, इसकी अपीयरेंस जो है, इसका वेट जो है वो ठीक होना चाहिए. दीज फीचर्स अट्रैक्ट पीपल. ये जो फीचर्स हैं ये लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. Healthy leader generally works hard and also inspires his followers to work with same potential. Knowledge. In order to instruct and inspire the subordinates, a leader required to have complete knowledge regarding a particular job. Integrity. A leader should possess high level of integrity and honesty. He should be a model to others regarding the ethics and values he preaches. Initiative. A good leader possesses the quality of courage and initiative. He should grab the opportunities as and when they come and should use them for the benefit of the organization. Communication skills. जो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. A leader should have ability to express and make people understand his ideas. He is required to be a good listener, counselor and persuader along with being a good speaker too. Motivation skills. A leader is required to be a good motivator. He should identify the needs of the people and should motivate them through satisfying their needs. Self-confidence. A good leader should be self-confident so that he can win the trust of his followers. Also, he must be willing to accept responsibility in order to provide and maintain the confidence of his followers. A leader should always try to retain his self-confidence even in most difficult times. Decisiveness. A leader should be decisive and firm and should not change his opinions frequently. Social skills. A good leader should be friendly and sociable and should maintain friendly relations with his followers and colleagues. Empathy. That is the last one. The ability of a person to look at things from others' point of view is known as empathy. A good leader must be able to empathize with the needs and feelings of his subordinates. Although it is not possible for an individual to possess all the above qualities, yet managers can acquire them through training and conscious efforts and can become good leaders. Thanks.